Let's take a quick look at the low voltage harness that is inside of the Chevy Bolt battery pack. So I'm going to start on this side here. So these two connectors are at the very front of the pack in kind of this orientation there. They are slightly different colors, but otherwise they look pretty much the same on the inside. Different pin counts in there. And then let me show you the back side. I don't know what the numbers are here. Let me see if you can kind of see that in the light if you need to replicate these connectors here. Okay. And then also on this end is this small yellow connector. And this connector goes into the high voltage contactor box that's in the orange box that's in the front of the battery pack. So this plugs in there and controls all of the contactors. And then if you follow this around, there are these little these are temperature sensors. And these little temperature sensors just slip down in the front of every other roughly battery module in the pack to read its temperature. And so there's one here, and then another here, and then here. This is for the last little set of them. There's also a ground lug, and this is connected on the very top of the pack in the back near the BMS. And then these two connectors here, these are the BMS connectors, the little low voltage connectors here. And these have their little locking pins there. And this one goes on the passenger side. I've kind of got it laid out here, so that's the front of the pack. It comes up the driver's side, and then this is the driver's side of the BMS, passenger side of the BMS, and then this goes down the passenger side of the battery. And so this low voltage harness pretty much is just to connect that connector up front and the contactors to the BMS. And then there's a very few number of wires for anything else. This connector goes to the manual service disconnect, and it just has two pins there. So just pulling the service disconnect disconnects the pack voltage. And then this here is a temperature sensor, and then another temperature sensor, and then the last temperature sensor here. And I want to clarify, because I think I kind of misspoke there. The full pack voltage does not go through this connector. This is just a sense wire to know that you did pull the manual service disconnect. The actual service disconnect has a very large fuse in it, which I'll cover now.